life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little.
Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I hope your family is doing great. Today I am in my living room slash family room. I'm gonna show you how I keep it during the winter season. I wanted to have this video out since the beginning of January. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to do that because things have been a bit challenging for me. But finally, I'm gonna show it to you because I have a lot of questions in regards to how I keep my house during winter season. It's more like a year-round decor. That's what I'm going to show to you.
Let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up.
I'm starting with the sofa. I'm gonna be using this beautiful gold and ivory pillow. It is super duper beautiful. It is huge, it is big, 22 by 22. It is from my website. The quality is off the chart. The back is velvet. It is a very nice pillow. Next to it, I am going to have another off-white pillow. This is a pre-owned pillow. Actually, I am going to have two white pillows.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around and then.
For those of you who don't know, this is my old sectional. I just split it in two.
But I'm not gonna wake up.
I am going to copy almost the exact same thing on the other sofa. This time, to make the area a little bit more fun, I'm using a big white pillow, the exact same one that I have on the other sofa, and on the right I have a smaller one. When I do the close-up, you guys will see it a little bit better. And on my accent chairs, I'm having two of these lumbar pillows. These are my pre-owned pillows that I love so much. I cannot depart from them.
I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up.
On the coffee tables, I am going to have these beautiful ginger jars. This is the first one. You are going to see the second one in a minute. I am using the silver jars to do a little bit of mix and match, cut the gold a little bit. And inside of this one, I'm gonna have some beautiful white flowers. They are winter flowers, year-round flowers. I'm using two types of flowers. When I do the close-up, I will show them to you. This is the other jar. I have it on the other table. Going back to my first coffee table, I am going to have two of my books. The top one, you already know, is from Amazon. The bottom one is just books that I am reading. On top of the books, I am going to have this cute tray. This tray is part of a set for my Doom Kindle cover. You guys are going to see that in a minute. And on the tray, I am going to have my gold candle, bringing back the gold on the table. And one thing that I like about this candle, it smells really good. You don't have to burn it for the smell to come out. And this is a Doom cover for the tray. As I mentioned, it is a set. It is very nice and fancy. Let me show it to you without the candle so you guys can see what it looks like. There it is. It is very fancy. I love it. Once again, it is another unique piece that you can find on my website. To complete the look on the second table, once again, I am going to have some books. Very similar to the first one. The top one is from Amazon. The second one is just regular book. As you can see, I bring the gold and the light pink on this table as well to make sure everything looks somewhat cohesive. I put a crystal glam vase with some beautiful fancy flowers that goes with the other flowers that I have initially. Nothing is the same, but we definitely have symmetry. However, by the time I was done finished decorating the room, my books from Amazon came. I'm gonna show them to you, and there will be some changes on the table. I really like them. They are super nice. So what's cool about them, they are not regular books, they are boxes, so I can definitely use them to store things. Because they are a bit larger, I think they fit the table better. However, I'm going to move the flower to the back and bring the jar to the front because the flower is a little bit too tall for the front. Also, I'm going to be displaying my Kindle Care Kit. This way they will be easily accessible when I need them. They are sold individually on the website. Very affordable, $9, $10. Even $7 for one of them. I'm going to go back to the sofa to add a beautiful throw. I believe this throw ties up everything very nicely together. It is comfy, it is beautiful, it is a great throw for a family room. Because of the color, it doesn't get dirty easily, but yet again, it's still looking very nice and luxurious. This is a throw that you can find on my website. On the first side table, I'm gonna be using this bowl. It's a very beautiful bowl. It is a matching piece of the Doom candle holder, but it has the gold and the silver that ties up everything together. And inside of it, I am going to have some coasters. On the other side table, between the two accent chairs, I'm gonna have two of my Glam mirror boxes. You can find similar mirror boxes on my website. This bar card is from Amazon. You guys always ask. There, I'm going to have a gold ginger jar that you can find on my website, and some boxes that you can also find on my website. No drinks and glasses this time. Link for my website will be in the description box. Also, everything that are from Amazon, the link for them will also be in the description box. I've decided to go for a winter white, but as I mentioned, this is a look that you can rock throughout the entire year. On my DIY vase, I am going to have these white flowers. Last but not least, on the credenzas, I am going to have some jars, gold and white jars. I think they go very well with the pillows. These beautiful glam jars are available on my website, glamstylehomedecor.com. And this is what the other credenza looks like. Similar but not identical. I think it creates interest. This beautiful mirror is available on my website. If you are interested, please check it out. The rug is from Amazon. The accent chairs are from Overstock. And the sectional is from Wayfair. So yeah, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Just in case if you missed it, my name is Dalou. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are interested in these things, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, for stopping by today. I love you all. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my living room refresh. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.